Mama, you out, I saw you out here wash, man. So you out here wash without brush and all and something. Action. So my girl, so you feel out here wash without brush and all and something. I saw you wash. I see you here last time, you know, the whole of your pants foot them dirty, you know. All the digging color, I shut them same way. The whole of it now see up same way, you know, like say, you feel to wash without brush, my girl. So hold on, you just look over the whole place. Are you me attack to you know?
No, then me have to look. Because I could never me attack with them at two advice there.
Right now, I don't hear gimmicks and your foolishness, you know. Because I see him tell me go out one day, go up on our pharmacy one day and go back the woman, one lady, and she tell me, say, how come my shirt color so black? And me have to look at her and I said, boy, I can't believe. And when I go take the shirt go in the bathroom, when the whole of the shirt color black up for show, I was so embarrassed. God know. I have to leave the place same time and try to find next shirt put on. You can't do them things, my girl.
I don't want you to say nothing to me, you know. Because you see a man can wear the shirt them and tell them put them back in the same basket with the clean clothes in. So you feel say them clothes they clean. Look at don't bother me, don't upset the spirit, man. But you got a pharmacy. You can't get your again, you can never give him to wash it. Huh?
Yeah, me know. I'm not foolishness and need for argument, you know, because it look like it's an argument you want, you know. Just hold them there and deal with them for me. I'm soon forward and I go out the road.
Damn foot by no packer is. I don't know when me had the video. I'm going to do me like it. No, sir. Better see it. Keisha! What's that girl? Where you call me for? What road me live, man? Come up in the yard. Oh, Lord. Where you beg now? The road me not beg now. You come back for?
Awa, what make you so aggressive? Awa, you never get nothing last night. You don't look so. Anyways, I phone charger me come borrow.
Tell us you come for me tell you. You don't have money there, my yard. Anyways, you don't know my charger, you know. Anytime I notice that I mash up, then take you away. And then just malice somebody or malice me because they don't want to give me the charger. But, I go in and if I carry back, I hell and powder house. Remember me tell you.
Liberty come through carelessness, you know. Anyhow, me never put on my charger careless up a yard. I would have to come down and come buy a charger for you deal with me, so. Anyways, I'm not going away with a charger. Because many people they in hot water. I charge my phone down here.
You ever in a hot water? I wonder what kind of hot water you in and now.
Why mama aggressive this morning though?
Give me phone, I'm going to put it on charge.
Why mama aggressive today, man? Wagwan.
What you say now? So what kind of mix up you hear people in here now?
Girl, they up here that cost about how money missing. And that type of stuff, man, I see me take it.
I hear ya.
No man, me serious period, man. You should put out the money, then put it on that mattress side. And somebody take you out.
Oh, Senior, her back was rain. Come on. Give me a bag.
Wow.
I said bag look heavy. How's the day working? I said I cook your favorite. As a matter of fact, my hair pan was short. I'm have a good evening plan for you tonight. Come on.
Yo, Jimmy! Jimmy! I really am half.
Yo, Jimmy! Jimmy! Jimmy the man. Jimmy!
Yo, General.
Come here, link, boss. I got me.
You know, say I did me there upon a little, I did that thing.
That's so I got me.
That's the word. That's the word. They come on.
I am a boss. Link him up. Link.
So, babes, why you go so early this morning?
Babes, you know, say I have to just jump in on them early, man, cause that's how the thing go down, so, you know. Yeah, man, I jump in early, you know, I can go down and sit down and relax and ease myself, and then, you know, say in the evening time, I can left early too. You understand? Yeah, man, but I don't know, man, I soon forward, man.
Babe, nobody got no work today. Right now, I'm in a mood and, you know, so we are working on something for a long time. So come on, nobody got no work. Babes, they said I know. Come meet your road. Alright, may I come? Me know. Alright. You know, me to dinner, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, but more you hurry up and shower
Yeah.
and eat. I mean, something for you.
Talk about that, I know, babes. What you have for me, I know.
It's where you said, baby. You'll find out soon enough. James,
Go on, babes.
you have something to tell me?
How that? I don't know what you talk about. What you talk about now?
You sure about that?
Yeah, man.
James, what is this? Oh, so your son start early, but you know you're dumb. You can't talk. Hi, sir. James, what is?
What days you have one paper flashing here? Oh, if you know what? I can't know what that. I just see paper flash.
You got that for your result. And you hide it from me. So, and I'm in this relationship, but you're alone. Let me try to see. Because whatever I read from this paper, you have to be certain. You have to be sure about this. Come talk to me, come in if you know if we see right, come in and read this with no glasses, you know. And for you have carrot vision, 20-30 vision, something. No one, no. Talk.
Babes, you know, say, tell you the honest truth. I just forget to tell you. Because you want now, the day when me carry up, you know, when me come in with it, you never there, you're the Ghana market the day. So, and me come in with it and then now rain a fall. So, me just go put it down in there. And then now me have to go deal with the animal and now me say, you know that. But, so when me come back up, God know me never remember you, man. But me never do hide it from you, man. Me have to show you it. Me have to show you that, man.
You see what your results say? Me don't even know if me I see right to granny back. No, sir? 0.00. Them a zero longer than my bank account number to granny. No, sir?
Yeah, you don't have to go on some man. Take time to talk, no, man. I don't like they say we don't have no chance. We still have a chance now. You have to have faith in a man. We still have a chance, man. Nobody go on some man and make it look so, man. And make it look bad all for me too. You don't have to make me look so bad, babe, man.
But James, we have planned this for years. Mornings, sleepless nights, all this.
You want me to know, babe. Your son I get red power here, so. So make it grow now back for a reason, like cool shit.
Take a picture.
Yes, just want you to know, say, I know hide me eye not the front, you know. Yeah, me have it, but here what now. And me know what go on, and me know, say, a long time we I plan this thing. God know me I tell you, say, me never even know how to put it here when we get it. Yeah, but Me just you want to find a right time and the right place and space, you know, to make you know the right thing. And but I don't hide nothing from you, man. And we'll make it thing happen. Yeah, we'll make it happen, man. Anyhow we can make it happen, we'll make it happen.
Make it happen. Them a 0 and 1, a 0 at the lower piece of chance. So much, look much pill we take. Where we for going now? Are that baby? That is low, you know?
But babes, you can't just give up, so man. You can't just give up, so you know. Remember say all the reverend to come pray for we all and something, you know, man. We can't just give up, so man. We have our roots can drink to, you know. And the herbal doctor then we can check to, you know. We can't give up, so man.
James,
We give up, so man.
you know, look how long we are in a relationship now. You know, say it was I'm a dream to become a mother. Me go college, me focus, me do everything step by step, take it easy. Everything to become a mother. And this now, I wonder if I punish me.
But I just, you know, I don't.
James, let me ask you a question. Suppose I couldn't have no pitney and you want a son, you last opportunity to have a son. What you would do?
Come on, babe. If I die in that case, we done married already, you know. So, I would just forget that and move on.
That's all a lie. How do we wicked, man? You mean to tell me so you not get a son yet and show me can't have pitney, you gonna stay with me? Oh no wicked and lie now? Hold that.
No, babe, so you go on, so man. Calm down, man. You tell you if you have faith in a man. Calm down.
Yo, Stefan. Hello? Yeah, maybe I wonder if I can call link you later. Alright.
Yes, Rev. Yeah, man, afternoon, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, she's here, man. Yeah, man, I'm aware of it, man. She's here, man, and all that, we're there here, man. A matter of fact, we just want to say a whole little reason to, so we're there here, man. Yeah, a matter of fact, I'm going to remind her right now, too. Alright, yeah, man, thank you very much.
What going, Chris?
I'm there and where say I go with. Long time I not see you, you know. Thing good here.
So what happened? You don't miss me?
Boy, I be right now to let you miss everything about you. Too long I not see you, it's like you move off my face like earth, you know. Too long I not see you, and so I realize say you live comfortable happy life, you know, so you can't stress everything, you know, so you just go and hold me one down.
You know, say, I some problem I had on my yard, but I don't want your help. For a long time I work for it, it's like, nah, happen.
No, so about this not sound good. So you live happy married life and have problem in it.
Even happy marriages have problems, and not everybody perfect. As a matter of fact, me and James good, but I want a problem we have down our yard, and I'm not going to go to ask anybody because I don't trust them like that. I did this so I can come to you, come ask you about this problem, and I can help me with this problem.
No, you still not tell me a problem because you still a grow on and come on like I said, a burden upon your head. So tell me why problem because if we can't help you more, I feel help you, you know, so just tell me why problem.
Alright. For a while now, me and James I try make a family. Right, so we take medication, we go doctor, we take all kind of thing, and it's like it not work. So I just come to you now to see if you can help me out, because I don't know what else to do, who else to turn to but you. What is this? How do you wicked, so man.
Come on, man. Take me there, start talk. Come on, my girl. Because you go say, no, man, I play place, you know, so we need to work, you know. I say things set, you know.
Yes, Rev. Yeah, man, afternoon, man.
Yes, sir. Hey, Sash. Well, you know, say it's a girl put in there, you know. You understand? I'm going to name her Tommy still, you know, because certain things set in.
Listen, Chris or Stephanie, any one of them I want to refer to now, we had a deal. We do this and it's done. No string attached. There will never be a me and you again. There's a big difference. I passed that. Whatever happens, just keep it a secret. I don't need to hear nothing else about it. I don't need to talk. I me safe last night. As me start so. As me start so. I'm done. Why? Banana can't turn on the thing. They don't mash him up.
You know, come eat a little breakfast and I look bored around there. All the tea around there are cold, you know.
Can you say something I do? You can't talk about when I come in, you know.
But see, I don't want the tea free and the breakfast is cold out around there, man. You better you come get it hot. But anyway, still, since I say, that can't work, bro.
I said early it's a man who did this smoke ganja, man. I only plan days, I see what I know. You can find something you should do, man. You should do not one way. Find something, man.
Morning, sir. So who you? God, I see you just up like your pastor with Bible in your hand. Pastor supposed to approach people better than that, you know. So, I don't understand you. You come out say you do godly work and them the way you talk to people, man. I don't understand you, man.
Good morning. I'm sorry, sir. I apologize to you, you know. So, I invite you to church now. I invite you to church, you know, so when you come to church, instead of you sit down, remind me pass me see you there, rub your little weed and things. So instead of you sit down, so now come to church. Right, sir?
Morning again, Pastor. I have a question for you, you know. See? Suppose when you did young, you have a girl and a man take him away from you. See? Turn around, married her. See? Leave her house with her and thing, and when you check it, that man now come round a pop style on your road and then wait there. You know? Then the CMB now I come back to you to get her pregnant. I want on the pastor, I left her something to you know. See? I don't want the man don't want to breed her, you know. See? I can't breed her. See? What you done the pastor? Just tell me. Tell me what you done about that. Come in and know me. Just tell me.
See, when we was a young boy, I take our man and breed our man. No, in my church, I preach God word, I'm mother with that. Right? You see that the situation you find out to me, my youth, if I know, I have nothing to deal with that. Right? No.
But babes, you know something I like when you look so, you know. You know, she say, you hear one touch up, man.
James, is that sweet, man?
You have got to touch up a little more, man. I want to see you hear a flash on me, you know. You hear?
And I'm talking, man. And I so anything I do inside, go and work inside. You know why you want that?
Yes, you know, say from what you want to talk to you. Yeah, man, because you know, say you give me one attitude forward here, I wonder, I want me to you. Can't talk to me for anything, you know, man. I remember say if I don't know if I look a result thing I make your head a stir up still. But anyway, I remember say pastor will come still, so I'm come pray for you and give you a counseling. You understand? So if I that, I'm gonna make your head work too much over that. Yeah.
Well said, Pastor, man. Well said, because that the answer me I look for still, you know. You know? Because guess what? You're not even in a situation, so you can't say anything. See? But to tell you the truth, that I go on, so that's why I have to go and burn my herbs in and go and all the medicine.
No, man. You don't have to burn no way. Now invite you to church. Me can show you a better way, man. Right? Come to church.
Yeah, man, me here. So, I went off your church. And which part of your church you keep, you know?
Right down at Broughton Road there. Nice square there. Right, sir?
Yeah, man, me here, Pastor.
James, I don't really think I understand, you know. I swear I don't think I understand how I feel. Right now, I'm in a mood, so just go back inside, yeah? Let me see if I can face it. Peace, man, peace, and quiet. Please. Do you think the pastor can help we, you know what we do?
Be one thing in here too negative, you know. You know, if it's so negative, you know. Because you want now, we have a lot of things can work, you know, a lot of things can happen. We have mental things, we have art. Yeah, Pastor. Yeah, man, welcome, man. Welcome, man. You can come inside, man. Come out of the sun, Pastor, man. Yeah, man, have a seat. Have a seat.
So, what do you do now, man?
Good,
You know that, everything alright?
Pastor, we're there, you know. We're there going easy, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we're just there going enjoy the cool breeze. I just can't see sun hot, you know. So, you know, if you're there with us, I go and hold it, you know. Yeah, man.
That's good, man. That's good. That's good. Right, man, right. I understand now what the issue is going, right? So, when you show it to me, you what going?
So, babe, you want me to tell him or you want to tell him?
Tell him.
Yes, Pastor. You want now? A long time we are trying to start a family, Pastor. Long time we're there and we try everything and it does not work out how we want it to work out.
Pastor, you know, put half of the story. So when you first start talk, you usually drink rum, you smoke all the soda, them in the pan like water, and nobody couldn't talk to him. See then now, and he make me can't get pregnant. I notice sun change in the bedroom. Normally, James, if you're honest with yourself for what I see, for you start smoke and drink up and sitting them, you're different, you're changed. There's a two. If me can feel it, you can feel it because your body.
What's nothing know about that, man? Well, you have to go so far in I think.
Let me talk. You want Pastor to come here? So let me talk in peace. You want me breathe in peace?
I'm not have to worry, man. I'm not have to worry, you know. Let's go easy, man, and things will work. You never try artificial insemination. You ever try?
So, you know, no Christian, some Christian are supposed to against that. How you talk about artificial insemination?
The Bible don't have nothing to do with that.
As a matter of fact, I don't want to go the road there. I want to have everything natural. You can't. That's not my league right now.
But if that you want, that's your choice.
I don't see how sitting here talking to this man I go help with anything. I don't even know if a man have pit me. James, I'm tired. I work for a morning. I need a shower. I want to cool off. I want to rest. I want to sleep. So as a matter of fact, I'm going inside.
No babes, you're not fair going some man. When the pastor come to talk to us. Pastor now watch that damn.
You have to be careful of that woman there, no? That boy, that woman there, if you don't mind, somebody will breathe it for you.
Yes, Pastor. So you say you're leaving now?
Yes, sir.
Alright, sir. Take care of yourself.
Have a good evening.
Alright, sir. And you too. And the rain are coming up, Pastor. So hurry up and make it catch you, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. You have to travel with them brother when you come. And
Actually,
you
no,
travel.
man. You like it rain over far with you. That's it, me can't reach up for it rain.
Now this time, you know, Pastor. Yes, Pastor. Hurry up, man. Have a good evening.
Yeah.
Chris, at 2 weeks now, you know, I know I can't see no switch tongue. As a matter of fact, I just take a pregnancy test. I wait on the result. Negative. So you know what that means? You have to do this again.
Well, alright. So what you say, Adi? You can check me and check you.
Me arrange the time, man. Me call you. Alright.
Alright, look a bit then. Yeah. Cool.
B, how are you in the salon, man? How are you going with? How are you do? In the salon, man.
Then I just tell us I never beard. Hand on my head.
B, me out there with the pass of about 45 minutes to an hour, you know. Yeah, man, but me I say, I look here when me talk to you about you going in there and touch up. Why you not easy, you know?
What happened? You want to see? I feel your house in there, I can't take you up the door.
So, I know for your house too. My hair look nice too.
That's all I like.
So, you know, I like everything about you a long time, and I know.
What place you can prove it? I grew up with a girl in Angel, so come back.
Why you too? You say you're tired. I say you're going to road. Why you not easy?
How you tax them there? Sure. What time place that? Cause you come like say place I go like pan we you know. Tell me look so.
Girl, from other day I try to get pregnant and at 2 weeks now I don't know see no symptoms, nothing. I don't know what to do. I even take a pregnancy test and it's negative. But some people say sometimes they think it's not accurate. Boy, I just feel like I give up on this whole being a mother situation.
You know what I say? Since I say I take a pregnancy test and it come negative, you can try after 5 days time and see what you say. When I try to get pregnant, you know, and 1 month before I start seeing any symptoms, you know, every minute as I want to go to the bathroom, go vomit, and a big green man go want, you know. Yeah, only for something, yeah, man. But I can't give up on being a mother. And I tell you already, just try pregnancy test 5 days after and you see a result. But so one taxi will come. Taxi! Taxi! Anyway, also, I'm going to trust yourself, right? Take it easy, because you know, say for stress, you only got me to work. But what you can do is, I tell you for experience, you can blend up some juice game, you can as me did I say, you can blend up some juice game, you can switch up your position them. Because you can't go on with the one bag of same position them, you know. You have to switch them up. But anyways, I'm going to go up here, so I hear me link you. Alright, thank you. Later.
GMs. I'm going to do a lock. I'm going to finish it.
Go on.
Oh yeah, girl, let you go out so.
Yeah, I say baby man, then you call and me there I wait for you. Right now I have to move go to the road, you know, because I have something I have to deal
No,
with.
B, you can't leave, you don't know, so we have something to
You want to know, what I go deal is very important. So I have to go up the road. What we are going to do, you can't deal with come home, man. I soon come back. I not spend more like at least 1, 2, 3 hours deal with that. So I have to do that. I come back 3 hours. Soon come back, man. We can't do that. Come back, man. Here.
Really? Like really?
What is Oh, yo, where you going with that now?
James says I'm not going for 2 to 3 hours. Say I have to come now.
No, man, me can't link you for your yard, man. You're mad, man. Say no spam me, man. You don't know spam yourself, sir.
Wow, you're not going to trick him. I don't know how to get going to trick him.
Sash.
Ratted. Hey, all husband included in there. No, say when you're too nice, my God.
Yeah, man, like right now.
Alright. Yeah, man, give me 5 minutes, me I come. Yeah, man. Alright.
Aye.
That was my phone there. Yeah, I left it down there to start. Yeah, no. I get, once I set the gate up, I go on with it. So yeah, how fast you pass this? All you do a lot. Sash! Sash! How I go on in there? Sash! That's me, man. Come on.
Yeah, you don't love your life. You know, you say, man, there's a you want to pass. What is that going with you? What go on?
Sash! So you have to do a lot, man. Then how fast you pass there?
I uncle also pass, man. He put on boot and gone.
So, damn man. So, I may fall the gate up, man, and sitting there. And then something ain't going with all the while, you know. And go upstairs and have a good boat thing going with in there, you know. Anyways, you want my phone, I come back fine, you don't see it in there.
Sit here.
Alright, baby, thank you very much. Anyway, now go back on the road, you know. So what's that? We're going to take care here. Alright, have a good evening.
Yes, mommy? Yes, mommy? May I come? Yes, mommy?
Eat anything from morning?
No, mommy.
So you eat from morning? Me I want bologna sandwich, so you can eat it and drink it with the ensure when you're ready. Abby?
Yeah.
The fridge you want to clean and when you're done you clean out the fridge. The stove, you know, your stove. And
Abby.
look around and me I want to show my around about use the hand dust on your furniture and things. And if your sister want any little thing,
Abby, pull
you
this
can
in
make sure you get something to eat and by share. Just pull it something for your sister now. You know your share asked you.
So she could have waited till you're done talk, mommy.
Hello, just pull it something for your sister. And remember when I tell us if you do, may I go down the road and come back and spend I think 15 minutes. You hear me say? Crystal. Crystal, you can go feed supper on the back for me, please.
Go and pay hand in your foot. You can go feed yourself.
From morning in the kitchen, I do enough things. Me I tidy up a room, girl. I'm just send her for the fab. And you behave so? It's alright, Crystal. Me go feed myself. Yeah, drink Lucas, you do. You do everything when me ask you to do in the house?
Yes, mommy. I clean out the fridge, wipe down the stove, and I wipe down the furniture. Them. Do everything where you ask me to do already.
Where your sister there?
I don't know, you're supposed to stay somewhere in there, so.
Oh, call her for me.
Alright, mommy. And them something you up here are going with. Give me this.
No, Abby, give me my phone. No, Abby, give me my phone. You can't do that. Abby, give me my phone. You can't do that.
Relax yourself, child. Relax yourself. Relax. You're not strong on me. Crystal. But wait there. And them you see here you do?
Give me my phone, man. I'm a private business. Give me my phone.
Let us screenshot this. You see anyhow me ever beg you do something and you refuse to do it or you talk to me no wrong way, girl, me go show mommy this. Cause this man beg you go for fab. I hear how you talk to me and then I something you up here so I do. Hey, all this. Anyways, mommy I call you, so come on.
Here your mommy. I was watching, I was running back. Come here, I want to talk to you. We go up by passport place, you know, so you finish your side paperwork, right? And by farm, you see police record and school history. So when we want to make you know, we don't want you get in no trouble. You understand me? Try to avoid certain argument, even if I figure where you're right and take for them. Because we want you to everything to go through and you go over stay with your father. And you understand me? And things. So just to try to no argument with nobody, just stay put. Yeah, my daughter, I love you. And you're pretty young. I don't want you to end up in a certain situation. Right? I know you're going to end up get pregnant. You know why you feel think about no boy. Focus on your schoolwork. You understand me? And you see, even you get the chance and go to America, a lot of opportunity over there. You understand me? You have to just know and just do the right. Right? Another time for no boy. How will you look for around this? So? Nobody know around there. Me say, you know, if you have no boy in your head.
I'm not interested in no boy, no, I have no boyfriend. I focus on my schoolwork, but I'm not gonna lie. It look like I will have one boyfriend because she borrowed me from my ex-boy.
Wagwan Abby, how you look so?
You look so stressed out.
I said that show up on me. I don't know nothing too tough though. I'm just there and I say life stress out. It's stressing when it ready, yeah, girl. But then anything, I don't know nothing tough though, but where I go right away?
You know, so I done the shop, me I go buy 2 pound of chicken and I go run a boat and something. If I anything you can call me, I text me, because my number not change.
Yeah, girl, me do that.
So look more, me will see you.
Alright, girl.
Alright.
Abby. Abby. Abby.
Yeah.
Come here. Let me talk to you about, me know you feel say you come in age of consent now. Me no want Crystal a little girl. Me no want you draw Crystal in nothing way I do. You understand what I say?
I want me involve Crystal in the money.
No bother with the excitement. Only thing me I tell you, don't involve Crystal in your man going in. Tell me something. You know borrow a phone and I text man and I send picture. Go give man.
Me, mommy?
You say nothing bother with the excitement. Take time. Me I talk to you. You know use our phone and text man. I send man picture, me not understand. No involve him in your man. Galang because remember, you come and feel so me can't tell her what you do now, you know. Because you're a big man now. But me only I tell her this, don't bring her in a hit. You hear me I say to you? Hello? You hear what me say?
Yes, man.
Right.
So what a girl wicked man. No, sir. Crystal. Alright, me know me I go do. Know me I go do. Alright, Crystal. Say hi the phone for girl.
Because they come like, you know what I feel from what I feel. So I have to hide it.
No, girl, we're good. Girl, we're a sister, we cannot live so. So, I go delete the screenshot them. I'm gonna go by the show mommy. So, the secret safe with me. Oh, girls, me get some Lasha. I know you love them, so here.
Oh, really, sis? Really? Thanks.
So, sis, who the boy there I talk to?
I'm a boyfriend.
Eh?
Yeah.
See, you ever seen it?
Yeah.
So, me don't know about that.
Girl, I never choose to tell you.
Oh. Anyways, I can invite him over because I like to meet my brother-in-law.
You mad girl? I can't make him come. You must see my mom kill me.
No, girl, don't worry about that. I got you covered. You're my sister, and I'm not going to make nothing happen to you. And which part Mama gone now, she not come back for now. So, just call him and let me meet him so you can see him and him just come quick, and then he can go back.
You sure, girl?
Yes, sister, you know so I got you back. Just text him and make him forward.
Aye.
Mommy, the JPS man, them coming up. And I said them come fit cut off your light. How me I tell them say I wrong place, them still a come. Them still a talk about the right place. Yeah, you have to come country. Come fast.
Crystal. 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 Come here.
You can't come in because stand you have to talk out there so. I want your sister-in-law.
That's it.
Anyways, I soon come. They're going to do something around this and come back here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Boom, get up.
I want to go. Abby! I want to go on your son.
Mommy, I'm glad you come catch her.
Who him? Who you be? What happened, so? Start talk now.
A Crystal boyfriend.
Crystal boy who?
Crystal boyfriend.
No, me no be.
Introduce yourself, brother-in-law.
So Crystal, you really out of yourself and carry man in a yard. Ain't after me talk to you other day, little girl about boyfriend or something, you're not ready for that yet. You pass your place. Young man, you catch me on a good day. Can you say for the one next day? Go on here, you come, you left here and you come in a piece, so I make you left here in a piece. Don't come back on my place. You, after me talk to you other day, I tell you about now, man, you're not ready for that yet. You're still out of yourself and carry man coming here. Eh? You don't understand your little girl.
You see it now, mommy? She come and tell you one bag of something about have man and you believe in all these things. And see it there? You catch an innocent princess. You catch her. Anyways, explain yourself to mommy, me gone. Can't bother.
You know what? Me deal with you later. Give me your phone. Go in our house. You know, star, no matter how you talk to them and pick me these last days, they nah, you know, no sense what you tell them. You could have preached to them like John Paul. They not take no telling. Oh man. I'm just on JPS, man. Yeah. Abby!
Nursing school, no one going up. Yeah. Even though mommy don't have no money, I go try my best to get one nice job and sum up some money to go nursing school.
And that really still not stress yourself about.
You mean when we did under the tree over the Saturday?
Yes, girl.
Oh, girl, a different thing I think about. There's a lot on my plate right now. But we're gonna get some water. Watch your girl. No water not there. I look how far we walk come up here so no water not there.
That tile is so bad, don't let rain go fall.
Come on, girl.
Yes?
You know someone asked us something?
Where you want? From the other day, me vex with you, you know. But I'm not ready to deal with it yet, you know. But what you want?
I have no all accoutrements.
No all what?
Accoutrements.
What you call accoutrements?
Like when you get cut, man. Like when your hand get cut.
Oh, you mean the first aid kit?
Yeah.
What you want if you do?
Me have my school project for them.
Oh. See the in I cupboard but underneath, down in my bottom. In my bottom base, you'll find in there.
Hi.
Yeah. Come here. Crystal, I want you to listen to me. I want you to listen to me good. You hear me I tell you? I don't like the video hugger you know. I don't like it. And you probably feel say I don't love you. I love you, man, your mother. You understand me I say? So when we talk to you and make you know say you're not ready for no boy, you don't need that right now. You understand me? You don't want that, you're not ready for that. You only go mash it. You know, you see other day what you do, I try to make me feel, you know, I disrespect me feel so bad. If you know say you carry man come in here after me talk to you day in, day out, Crystal. You see that one time down? Mash you down. Wicked, no matter police that police that run. I tell you. So hear me I say, when me talk to you, when you listen what me I say, I feel your own good, and not hurt you, me not kill you.
Alright, me not do it again. But other day when the guy come here, because of Abby. Because Abby say want to see him and she my big sister. Yes. And she is why did all the company veranda. We never do nothing bad.
So that means to say other day when he called me and tell me about JPS. No, boss.
And as the boy come, same time you come.
This is what me I say. When our sister, you know, feel like love and you can't live. So I will talk to Abby. Because me see where all of this I come from. You know. Me talk to her and you just make me stay right here. So no go no further with it. If anyhow, none of you do nothing more in here, you know, me go mash you down. So the other one I go take heed. You hear me say? Go and go do your project. Why Abby said to me, sister. Jesus God. And not even one me have, you know, two and something. Father God, only you want to know, only you alone know God when you go through. No, sir.
Get back her everything can done. We probably say something. Oh, the Friday.
Them still in there sleeping. And girl, rain ease up here now. We are going to run go before you come back down.
And that I want to do. So I'll be walking different with you now.
What you mean? What you talking about?
Because I see what the officer said on night tree, so I just have to ask I want to you.
If you see mommy come, just tell me. Girl, that's some things I think about. Like, I think about my life, everything, how mommy treat me. Girl, I think mommy prefer Crystal over me. I not fear think them something there because that's not good for me or whatever. But I just feel say she rather Crystal over me because she treat Crystal better than me. She give her princess treatment and one bag of something, girl. If something for do in her house, and me. And Crystal sit down there. Now do nothing. I want bag of something. Girl, I don't know. I just fed up. Girl, some reasoning I see mommy I give Crystal. She not give me them type of reasoning there. I road me have to go and hear when people talk certain things. I know as a big girl. Me I tell her, Mommy treat me different, girl.
My girl, I really this year stress over you in her school or something.
Go home before the rain come back.
Better me never see nothing to her. That's why people don't keep friendly up.
Abby. Abby.
Yes, mommy.
Me I go kill her. Look how girl you me a talk to you know. I bet me tickling one take one stone and bust in head. And me say if you do what me tell you do in your house already.
We can't do nothing in my peace.
Are you me a talk to you now, little girl?
Yeah, me say me do it already.
So how you suck up your teeth, man? Who you suck up your teeth, man? Little girl, if I lick you, you just drop short and get up back tall. You hear me? I have to tell you, don't ramp with me. You say you. Go on, man, go on.
Can't bother no man. Only if me can't do so much. You know what? Me text my sister.
Kayla.
Me a come.
Me a go in my town and come back. If you really not come, lock up your house. But that's not gonna make your place wet up. And close the pan the line, right? Next thing, if your bad breed sister come here, I don't want her in my room. You hear what me say?
Yes, me hear what you say.
Okay.
girl, she gone, I can't come down. So you say girl, she gone? Alright then. You know what? Give me about 15 minutes, may I come. Where's you going now, girl? Cause you know how mommy she check your hand. But if we did want to come here when she there, I wear something about my name, she will load up her mouth and be the most way. Girl, don't worry about mommy, I say, before mommy go away, she go say, I hope me not make my bad breed sister come here and go in her room. I saw mommy she love chat, but she can't tell me that kind. Anyway, me feel for go me and go, you know. So you see I go and know sis, I pray for you. I not even know, because right now my day is bored and stressed. And that's why I call you. I wonder if you know no place who can go. Because see mommy are gone. I'm not even think she come back. I said, I have one spot we could go hang out with one guest house. I tell her say up I guest house nice, you know, girl, they have pool, bar, you know all of the little things there. That sound boring though, sis. But since it's a guest house, all I do, get some people and we go over the house. So. But you know? Yeah, girl, you know, see, right, do what you think. I'm supposed to can make one and two link and get to my dinner because, but sure, if I told you I'm going to go boring, see who me can get to.
You know, so I don't get the money now.
What you mean you don't get the money? So when you tell me say you don't get the money, brother, I can't deal with them something here, no, man. Eh? You can't bother.
Don't know, man. Me tell you what go on, man. Remember say yesterday that labor day, you know, so could have money send but I could have get for colleague because holiday yesterday, isn't it?
Watcha, me not even know myself either, you know. Never know a thing.
I'm busy. You all at today, so tomorrow thing that, doesn't matter.
What you say, tomorrow?
Yeah, man, not the on my agenda tomorrow still. So. Man, we can go on tomorrow.
Alright.
Girl, see some of them I text back, you know. The man still one of them I say, if more I'll care buckle. And the rest of them I text back right now. People they like them willing to come, girl.
Alright, sis, it's like how them interested. Go just go for the guest house. By the way, how far from here so the guest house there?
The guest house not that far, girl. Like, just one little walk, you know, far.
Alright then. Can we just go up there and set the office set up? Because you know, say I know lame party we are going.
Yeah, man, alright, how we do
Alright,
that?
sis.
So, girl, they really think that Jay will come to you?
Girl, once you invite Jay will come. And what's so special about Jay?
Girl, you know how long me have a crush on him. And I just know her from a long time. Give me your say you can't do anything, you know. So, you know what?
Just don't let the condom, yeah, girl.
You know, sir. Nah,
Condom! Hey, I want see. Hey, you sit down. Where you go? Sit down. Where you go? Sit down. Nobody run now. Cause you never get referred from me. No. Where you do ya? Oh, yo, shut up. Where you do ya? You see you're not no manners, you know. And let me tell you something. Me should come here and see you know. Because guess what? You choose, you know, come here so. So me don't know where you come here and do. Don't run and look for me talking to you. And you choose not to come here so. You choose for left here so.
I go and me did I go away. I Kayla, me care something come let her for me did I leave. Right? But still I see me go left your place. Kayla, you will see me you will talk on the phone.
Sit down there so. Boy, you go. Where you go? Where you go? You feel say you're no big man? What kind of party we you not talk about and condom and all type of stuff? I want you start talk. I feel say you can't trick me no crayfish brain. Start talk.
Alright, mommy. I'm going to tell you the truth. I want to prank with your plan for TikTok.
Yes, girl, I did one plan with that prank with you, mommy. See, if when next
See
year,
phone here.
I did just one little prank something with you. Yes, for sure, I did one TikTok video with you and make one little prank something.
Yeah, mommy.
I never know like where you come and think.
What you say now? Cause today me I go broadside one hour now. What you say? You come for drop off sitting. No a TikTok video now make up in your mind. What?
I thought me come to go jump off true. I thought me come to go and jump off to Kayla and then no.
This yeah. No tell me no lie.
But me not tell no lie.
Let me tell you something. You see before me damage you and me do you something in here to the little girl. Give me your phone. Where your phone there?
Kayla, what's not the phone there?
What ya? What ya? Your phone dead. Your phone just dead, mommy. Your phone dead.
You, sit down there, so. Me you call for your father and tell him everything when me hear. You see all of my plan there what uno say uno make, it not happen because they mash up. And let me tell you something, you see, give me, as a matter of fact, where on the phone, give me them. Give me. You think me idea about phone, bed and all these things. Actually, me don't know about them phone here, you know. That's why I want to take me for papi show. But here what, uno brain no big enough for me.
Girl, I don't know what she got with the phone. Jesus Christ. I don't know what we are going to do. Girl? We should come in. We should come in. Yes, people, you know, say that's the movie. And hope you enjoy it. And make sure you like and subscribe and share
Big up on yourself so we can get more to it. Please, I want you know, she's not no behavior. She's still not a man, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm a baby them and still. Thank you for watching.
Just give me a second, man. I don't know who called me them at hours and night. How with it? So this man I don't know say different times. He that hang up though. I can't him back. I know I send her money already, so I can't money him call me back for ask about her now. And he knows say different time. I call her back.
Hello. You know, you feel like saying not me that big, you know, and you pick me did I call you about.
What happened with that? What happened?
The other day I come in and she and the other sister, the other one, I chat about party and boyfriend and condom and me if you just come in and mash up his seize them phone and them something there. You understand me?
So sis, what do you think I go happen when she call the father? But me not too worry now because me know what go happen.
She will call daddy. I want to tell daddy about how say me a plan to go meet up with man and go out with man and then things like a party. I better say it go happen and daddy go to me to turn up here.
Sis, if you bill off 5 phone still, you know, both you run with. Suppose you go to the road and something bad happen to you.
But girl, me know the streets, I know the street code, and right now in my time and day, you can't just have parents locked in the house like say you're a hostage. You have to go out and enjoy yourself and anything. So you mean nobody can tell me for eat that. Worse than the streets, what me know about so nobody can tell me for eat that.
The boy tease you know here, you know? Girl. But I'm glad that you're still sister girl.
Me not have no problem. Me not have no problem to keep her, you know, as she did get up, you know, and left the yard. And you as a father, we should have tell her, say, go on back to your mother and her manners to your mother. You never you take her up and make stepmother have him down there and sitting. So you must me okay. Me not have no problem. Alright then. Yeah. Oh, me can't bother phrase. Hey.
Jerry!
Oi, there, may I come there?
How is she there? You come with the water and I want to talk to you.
So, how me can call me so how?
So me carry water come there. But me need to talk to you about your daughter. You see what I mean? She not no behavior. She a cynical, she cynic, troublemaker. Because you don't know what she don't tap tease me dog, you know. And you know how it going, you know. When dog bites somebody how much million and me no have it. You see what I mean? You need to talk to her, you need to warn her. When she come or she a pass, she don't need to say nothing. Leave the dog alone. Because me not gonna respond if something go wrong, you know, because if she get bite, you know, run, maybe you run, come say me dog bite. You see what I mean? I don't find out how you go, but she a tease the dog, she a provoke the dog. And any day that dog bite you, who? Make me make you know from warn her, till I feel leave me dog alone.
Me apologize on behalf of my daughter, right? And me thank you for telling me. Hold on there. Which one of them can know a two that? Which one?
The fair complexion one. Not the dark one, the one that's quiet. But she not quiet. She a troublemaker. She only act like she quiet. I mean, know everything so that little girl was a quiet little girl, nasty girl. But when me see her, I trouble them, I couldn't believe. Say she wouldn't do that. You say I mean, I tease the dog, I trouble the dog. And if the dog bite her, how you go? You say I mean?
Alright, me really sorry about that and it not gonna happen again. Me telling me apologize, me sorry about that, me talk to her. I understand, me sorry about that, me apologize. Understand me, right? Please and thanks. And thank you for your water, for you here.
You're welcome. You know, say me and your friend for a long
Yeah,
time,
man.
but you need to talk to that little girl. Because she get bite by the dog, me no respond. You hear what me say? Talk to her. She a cynical, she cynicking. Troublemaker. Alright.
Man, what that money I call me for? Every minute this lady call me and I bother my brain. I said last night, you know, the lady called me. Who do you believe what she called me for? She called me from weird in the back room in a Kayla. Only if you know see a remote this lady I come in front of up. Right her bedside table right beside her bed. I can't bother.
That's some me stay in a girl. You better your answer. You better your answer because you know mommy head chip on one part.
Sure, I'm not answering up. Come on girl, go over there to go sit down.
So I think we can do sis.
We can't go no places, girl, no places. You know me have my links.
I really up this over in there. I hear me a call and then not answer. It's alright. You know, hear me, you come here, call you right here. Eh? You know that I say that here, me a call you know here. Because girl, me no want mash you up in here. You hear me I tell you? Listen to me. Let me tell you this. And me I adult in a yard here. Me, I know you. And you see all of them foolishness there where you going with, when you cut out it. Because you see if you no cut out it, you go see what happen between me and you. You have trouble people dog on the road.
No, go so.
Shut up! Shut up and not tell me nothing. Shut up your mouth. You see all you up there? You when making come here influence you. You will mash up it to a woman in here. Me will mash up it to a woman. When you tell me say you're getting money, brother, I can't deal with them something right now.
Better say because don't happen and they go to me to turn up here.
And you pitney me did I call you about?
So me carry water from me. But me need to talk to you about your daughter.
You have trouble people dog on the road.
No, go so.
Shut up!
No, Tisha. For real no. Answer me for real. How where you go?
Kayla, I'm not stay here, Kayla, because I have to come here good and 2 times for me come and me get lick already. Right? This is how him more to walk on tell life on me. I make me get lick 1 more time on that. Not stay here, nobody beat him.
Tisha, I know you not answer my question, no, I never ask you that. I ask you say where you go or where you go stay. You idiot? I know you don't have no money, you know. You don't have no money for you to take care of yourself out on the road. I hope I don't know boyfriend you go to, you know. Because me call mommy and make sure come here with police and know what they have to do with you.
No, say over here, them here go hide some things me go pick up for my daughter, that a little one day.
So, talking about her, you like to talk to her, man. Because she even afraid of the dog, no, she not even look for the dog again, you know.
Yeah, man, yeah, you know, me talk to them, man, because they know me will mash them down. But anyway, still, you know me the one talk to you, though, because it's about now a big little thing, you know. See, me lose all my work and...
Oh, yeah, tell me.
Yeah, man, all the little piece of land there where we have me a plan for you sell it and do a little business and then something this.
It's a land there where me are you.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Selling land now, you know how land thing going up, value go up. So right about now, you're going to sell it for little or nothing or whatever, and then now, when the right time comes, you get a money for that time, the money show up. What make you don't really want to sell it?
Well, I'm going to tell you already, man, I lose the little work, man, and remember say I'm me with the two girls, remember say one of them a pine up, and the next one, no have no pine up. So, and the other one, the one when I'm up at college, she want to go, and that's why I tell you, say, I don't want to sell the land and just do, because the bills them are coming and the pressure is on, brother, the pressure.
You know,
man.
Sis, can we just sit down and talk about this here, man? Sis, tell me the honest truth. What the problem? Like, why always like this? You can't open up to me when you can't tell me anything. What happened?
Kayla, you ever realize, say, we life not easy, we life hard. Like, we don't do nobody nothing, right? And then we always a struggle and I go through it. Look at it, our mommy, she always a struggle and I go through it and she don't do nobody nothing. We can't bother. You realize that everybody in this community here, they live the same boring life, they stuck in a one place. I don't want to sit down like them until me dead.
I understand, you know, but running away not gonna make it better. Tisha, imagine you go to the road as a woman, as a little girl. You know what things can happen to you? In a day my time you can't trust people. But they're not safe. You have me as a sister where you can't trust. Remember we're young, you know? Just have patience. And nobody will be running away business, girl. Give me this.
And so people always say about ourselves we have patience, right? So till we get old and even enjoy our life. But me will take your advice and me will listen to you and me will stay. But just see that man will tell life and about how me trouble him dog, me will get back at him some way somehow, me will plan up something for him.
Tisha, and I say I always get in a trouble, you know?
I don't nothing like that. I don't know where to cause no trouble nor no problem. Come and tell you what you're going to do.
First, I will get some cold water. You're easy, you know, girl. But alright, me I go help you.
You know why you hold on a college thing, you know, because future that you don't know. But if you sell a piece of land, say a college, I want to wait. Because you know the amount of benefit of some land can run and go towards. You know, I don't know. But it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense of thinking of selling. Or if there is no other solution where, yeah, you're a friend, you know. Yeah, I could even butt in and help you, you know. But you know what things set. You say me because that's a land there. I want to wait. Just hold off on the selling a land thing. Yeah.
Yeah, me I hear you. But me I listen to you say still now. Me I do it, me I deal with you, you know, but here what you say if you know, if nothing else come up, me not have no other choice.
Something must come up, man, we can deal with and just start. Me help you, man. We are friends, you know.
It's just something, man, it's just too much for me head now,
You
man.
understand, me understand. Because losing your job, I want to
You
win
understand, it
real.
stress me out, man.
You understand.
I mean, have a girl, them, and I want to make sure so they grow up good and, you know, get them education. Remember, say, we don't get it like that, you know, you understand?
That's true.
So, me want them, especially want to go to college.
You understand, but hold on for the selling a land, because you don't know, something have to come up.
Alright.
You think about something and see what we can do.
Yeah, alright. Me I go hold off then.
Alright. Why? You see, could have no. The plan of the salad. I think you just like the salad. Why do you think that about that? You help her. I understand what you are talking about. But I can't sell the land. Can't sell that salad.
It's a puppy show, yeah. Where your sister there?
She in there, son. Ticia! Yeah? Mommy, I call you.
Yes, ma'am.
Serious are your things them because your so-called stepmother says she not carry them come. But your father say, as a friend today, I up you so you go stay. You not go back down so you not have nobody have for your mind down so. You understand me? So you see any little thing in the field, you out of yourself and grinding, nobody will me mash you down. You hear me say, miss?
Yes, mommy. Well, to be honest, mommy, I never plan to go back down there. Because I did still know me and think about the whole situation and everything. And I not get in trouble nor no problem, so you don't have to worry about that.
Kayla, where your sister there? Are you attacked, sir?
Yes, mommy.
No, sir. Wait there. What you say a while ago? What you say a while ago?
I not get back in trouble, mommy.
No, sir. I know you talk. Father God answer my prayer.
You see, girl, she fine. She like, you know, girl. Bye, girl. So even if we get catch, she not go think see away.
You're not easy, no, you're not easy. But at the last time, I do this video, you know. Anyways, remember to take out the jug out of the fridge before mommy see it, because you know normally keep this up.
Kayla? Kayla?
Yes, mommy.
Come here. So Kayla, how you don't feel if you go college or university overseas?
Mama, I never really did think about that, you know. But I say when I left school, I go look work, go do work, thing like that. Because I don't have no money, I never did have that part of my brain. But I love to go do work.
Don't worry about that, man. That's something when me see where you can get a scholarship from out here if you go over there. You understand? All your grades them have to do, your grades them have to up there. But the information there on the phone about, I think I was 96 or 100. You look on here and see.
They must say grade that is 96 100 average. I can't get that, mommy. I can't manage to get that.
I tell them, you know, try not get yourself in no trouble. I understand? Because I didn't look at something, at least you could think, you know, I don't know, community go and mix it up with nobody. I mean to say, if this thing comes through for you, you can't get it because you mix up with Big Tom and Harry, Mary and Mary to Jane. Because more you get through and more this comes through for you, so you get a better life, better future. You understand me?
But I'm not mix up myself with nobody in the community. I'm not getting no trouble. No, I'm not getting no trouble.
Plate, Sindoti, Mama nigga. Brittany!
Come in my rapping shop.
Yo, man, someone like someone.
Ben no pray for man, watch out. Game? Nah man, Brittany not going good. Right there! No man, Brittany there, my man, she got. Brittany! Look at that! Hello. Oh, where you there, son? Eh? Where you there, son?
Me a text snap, daddy.
You see how down the house there?
Hold on, this.
You wash plate, you prep bed, you do nothing, you don't for morning. Suppose if you say no go when your auntie them go see, eh? At that them are gonna call me and tell me no say everything you use, you left it dirty and all that and something there. You understand? You're a big girl now, you're 18 years old, you're out school. Brittany, need to do better, Brittany. You understand?
But me never feel good, daddy.
Feel good. You see the place where you're there. If you clean, cleanliness is godliness. I mean, I try put in there, but you're not learn. Hey, world normal, you know. What something happen? But me not do that. How you gonna survive out there? Eh? How you gonna survive? Because right now you can't have to manage yourself. And if you do better, man. Yo, go down clean. Go down clean. Go down clean. Okay. I don't feel me that after this. What is that? What is that? You done? You know, say, I didn't think I'm gonna run from. I run from things that are so hard. That's to make sure to provide everything you need to make you reach yourself. You know what that look like? Hmm? Brittany, what is this, Brittany? What is this, Brittany? Yeah, let me lose it to Brittany. You know how hard it is to do a 9 to 5 and still have a mental up so. Eh? And plus you are gonna make it worse for me, you know? You no matter how much try to guide it on the right path, to make it up on the straight and narrow road, you find the corners and the cribbles and the lane them. Eh? What I say? This can't happen in my place. I don't know where I go with it, but the thing are coming, you know what it's my man? Your mother, your workplace mother. You want to say like your mother? Hmm? Answer me now. You want to say like your mother? You come like, yo, it's 2 hours a one enough. Hey, your child remember say I play them before wash up now. Oh.
Brittany! 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 What happened to you? What are you doing? So what?
Mommy,
What happened to you?
daddy up there, cousin, something that says to me, start crying and come down here.
Your father really there? Hmm? But anyway, I run me, I come run and come look for you and say me I come get a check. Cause me not fi depend on the people in place. You understand me? So everything good with you, the whole school and sitting.
Mommy done school now.
Done school?
Yeah.
I saw time fly, Pitney. Time fly, man. Me never did know say time fly so fast, man. Just try hold your head up, you know, and keep your foot down. Me know say you no look a young girl go like you know want boyfriend early, you know. Me know say you no look a young girl have a little boyfriend. Me no see her talk and I go on like you have me. Why boy you little boyfriend? Tell me, man, cause you can't talk to me.
Yeah, me have one boyfriend, yes. Daddy don't know.
And before you go even no further, Miss Ma'am, you not have sex?
Me not start yet because me myself don't know nothing about them things there. So me not start it or anything.
Me know say you didn't tell about it, you know. But here what me I say. Even if you reach to that, please me they beg you. Make sure say you use a condom. You understand me? I mean I really indulge more in mind and not think about man. You understand? Because right now, you have to think about yourself first and higher esteem you have to think about. Think about them, man, because you see what them do to them young girl. You know, look at your eyeball. Look at your eyeball and see what them do to them little young girl. A disease, all sort of sitting. Breed them, left them, left it on them mother, father, everybody have to jump in and help. Them not help. You understand? So you have to know yourself. You hear me? Okay.
You still not watch me play them? No, sir. I still look again like a fan back to
Anyway, I get one little phone now. So I can give you my number so you can link me up. You understand? Cause you understand? Things are going bright for me you know.
What's here? Miss Sissy, are you sure you can do it now? Brittany, you still have to play them up there, Brittany? Brittany, you still have to play them up there, Brittany?
What this man?
Where are you today? What bring you here? What bring you here today? All of a sudden just pop up out of nowhere.
Mister, one reason why I'm there for your property, you know. And that's because I'm a daughter, you know, and I love and you don't understand, you know. You say that you make all of this, you know. You think say nothing, I can look over your place? I don't want nothing here for thief. I don't want nothing here. I don't beg you nothing. And Brittany make me there. Brittany make you my daughter.
If you did one there, that day, you love the street more than your daughter. If you did one there, you would have there. A party and a floss and all of that, something that you pick over your daughter. Are you cause everything? You cause everything.
Cause what? Cause what?
She a galang so, she a behave so, and now do what she fi do. You understand? And because me no lick Pitney, you know, I prefer discipline them and send them somewhere else to live, you know. Yo, you're gonna make me just send out of the place, you know. Just continue to test my faith, you know. Yo, go on where you go. Brittany, go wash your plate. Last time I tell her. Go on where you go, me say. Brittany, go wash your plate. Go on, go wash your plate, Brittany. Watch out. Hey, alright, just lick you with that piece of, hey. Sure. Yeah, man.
Right, I'm just can't bother with this thing right now. Daddy has stressed me too much. Mother, me did it wrong, my mother. Can't take daddy no more. And I'm just can't bother. Right now, I come out and I can't take it no more. Just can't take it no more. Just, I'm sick and tired of it. Look up video and see, Insta act up. I'm not wrong with him, just can't take it no more. I'm out of here. Can't take this no more.
So I plan for tonight, baby.
Just carry back anyway.
I know, baby. I want to say, a long time I link though. I said, I can't go on Fiji night. I say,
Well, me never, you know, ready and things. But I wonder if I could have wait. No, I ain't ready yet. I'm not ready.
wait for me, baby. Look how long me I talk. I never cheat for you. I tell them about wait, target you. From me, I never do nothing for disrespect you or make you feel uncomfortable. But always did feel. Look there, as you calm me there, your foot. See, I must can make a general feel nice in the night. Most can give me a play. Rest it. Can't go on.
Travis, if you really, really love me and care about me, you must can't wait.
Well, honestly, I don't understand. I don't know why I'm supposed to wait after me do everything what I'm supposed to do. You see me? So, I don't see the reason why I'm supposed to wait right now. To me, so it seems like you're trying to say, oh, I'm not good enough. You see me? That's how you make me feel, right?
Travis, no, not like that. Me a virgin.
Oh.
So, I'm kind of scared to do it. Understand?
I say, never know. You see me? But, don't worry yourself, here. Maybe change. You see me? Oh, I'm going to first song with some. Let's see, I'm going for some.
Daddy run out and we never have nowhere to stay, so we come here so and they ask him probably could have stayed here for the night.
Seriously, girl? Your father run you out of the house, them a time of night, yeah?
Don't sit down and look right, yo. Zaffa, come in. Cause time late. You shouldn't have on the road in time now. Come. I saw later wake up, girl. Gosh. I just 10 o'clock. Girl, 10 o'clock late. Me I'll wash clothes and put on the line almost dry. Gosh. So, the eat it? Well, me I want snacks in my bag when me eat, but would I eat something else, yes? Alright then, if you want something to eat, you can go in the fridge, go look more or something. Alright then. Oi, wait there, come here. Hey, remember so we need to talk about what happened last night, because I don't understand why your father would have run up here about late night. You know why. So when you finish eat, just remember so we have to talk. Yeah? Alright. Girl, I can't believe your father do something like that. Run you out of your house in the middle of the night. No, we need to get to the bottom of this. We need to do something about this. We don't have a problem with you staying here, no, but we need to know why your father run you out of your house. Alright, let me tell you about it. Let me tell you what. My father see one video in my phone, right? When me wind up on one boy, you know them thing there something. That not really happen with the video or anything, nothing wrong. You not see me like saying see me in a naked clothes or anything. Alright, so after that now, you see the video on my phone, you start make up being nice and one bag of something, so I walk off because I couldn't take it. I thought be a thing to my mother and something, so I couldn't take it, so you know walk off and things. So after that now, later down, my mother come look for me. So me and her the one place. Something I talk, I see my father show up. Start disrespect my mother and I run her out of place and something, but she come out of her yard and one bag of something. So me have to really look into myself and say, I must see my father really do in front of his own daughter face. So I said, no. He run my mother out of her place and something. My mother gone. In the night now, me there on the bed lie down. My father just walk in, come drag a sheet off of me, and I tell him to come out of place. He watch me, I pop the bag. And me thinking they tell me say, if you pack up my clothes then when me I go anything, he just watch me pack the bag and tell me to go on out of place. And I me that, just me end up down here. Me never know say my father would have do that. Never know say he would have do that. Girl, it don't matter. You just turn 18 now, you fend for yourself, you find food to eat and then something the girl. Can't work, girl, it can't work, man. We need to go down to the station right now. Man. Oh, we can't go down there like this. We need to find something with sleep, so I go for my sweater. We have something to do with night on important, so you know, it take me around 10 or 15 minutes. So I meet at the police station, so you can just go and let me if you come down there. Here? Brittany, make sure you don't play with me, you know. Make sure you don't play with me because this is pretty crucial. Make sure you meet me down at the station. Alright.
You know, say God know, man, right now. You better just come out of me and go and buy your business, you know. God know, cause after I see a young man turn around the road one night, yo, you better just go on here, man. You see me? Don't touch me, say just go on your ways, brother. Just go on your ways, you see it? Cause I can't believe you do me that, you. God know, you a fall person, I never expect you to do that, you see me?
Travis, you know, so I never mean nothing by it. I not tell you no lie. I not even know how it happened, it just happened. You just pushing tongue in my mouth. I mean nothing by it.
You can't tell me say that no mean nothing to you.
I just want a little kiss. You don't mean nothing.
Yo, you're lucky, you know. Can you say for there a certain man, your face tear off already. That, yo, you're lucky you can't come stand up in me and chat to me. You see me? You better just go away.
Travis. Travis, look for me now. You remember say you did say we want a break, not true?
Alright, Stacy. Here I go. Just give me a little space, man. Let me just process this whole thing, cause you see right now, me not think straight right now, you see me? Because I just never expect you to do that, you see it? So just give me a little space. That's all me ask right now.
Alright, Travis. I'll give you space, I can think about you here. I'll check you back later here. Or me call you. I can call you later. I just want you to get the time to think about things here.
Yeah, I just need to process this whole thing, isn't it?
When I call you later, you go answer me.
You never might know.
Can I get a hug before I go?
Just go on the stage, just go on, man. Yeah, Soapy. Yeah, my Jenna, you don't see my daughter pass or so?
No, dear from man, I know something to say.
Yo, alright. If I see them, I look for you and can't find her, you know.
You don't know if you see her?
Yeah.
I'm not going to link you.
Alright, brother. Yo, me get one nice soup, them, here. Alright, enough respect. Yeah, man.
We can't call now to get Brittany no father number. Oh,
Hello? Miss Anja, you don't see Brittany come around and on tall. Find yesterday, man. You don't see her on tall. Alright, no problem. How Thames, what go on, brother? You don't see Brittany, yo. You don't see Brittany? Hey, Brittany could have there. Come on. Brittany come around yesterday? No. She didn't wear her mother by the way, man. I said, I'm not so see her right now. I'll call her.
Travis! 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 Travis!
you may call Travis phone and now get me.
Travis!
How would that call? What we have? How Brittany that? How Brittany find me out? No, sir. How Brittany find me out now? Brittany, how you doing, sir? How you even find upon me live?
I must say the time say I white hall I live. I just come a white hall and show some people a picture and they say, yeah, right, I say you live.
You didn't even call me and tell me say you're forward. I want me.
You see, you had to drop me off last night. Well, I never did some leave, and my girlfriend lived there with the same. I stayed there for the night and things, so let's see. I'm forward over here or something. So you know, let me in.
Yeah, man, I can come here, man.
So which part you carry this?
You know, say, maybe I may drive and me swing out of one dog and just licking at one patrol when I front end mash up. So I have to leave here, but
So you see, I live.
yeah, man, base this one. Not too bossy still now, but yeah, I try to work to set it up one thing, man. Mine's this one, is it? Yeah.
So one kind of just scare me here. So last night more than we go to guest house.
God no be place not too safe in the night, you know. You see me? They want to come around and say with them hours and night, you see me? So I just say, oh, just bring it up by guest house, man. And worse, more I feel comfortable, you see me? Yeah. So, be how long you plan to stay because nobody expect say you're forward and them things, you see me? And me calling some people to go work on your house and things, you see me? So, yes. How long you plan to stay?
So Travis, suppose we want to stay here for a little while. Yeah, Travis say you can't stay here or something for 1 week or a couple days.
No, be. I never say you can't stay, but you just show up unexpected when a big things are going and mama say me tell us some people are going to work on or something. You see me? You see the place stay, place want to set up one thing, but if there's somewhere you want to stay, you can find somewhere for you to stay.
So, you can't stay here for the night.
Maybe, of course. You can't stay for the night, man. Cook something, muffin and dumpling and make you feel with it.
I wonder if I look again and a leak off already. Young man worried in our place. Yo. Hello?
Yeah, ready for this? She come here late last night and she say you run her out of her house.
What you talking about? We run out data. We run out no data. So where she run there?
No, she down there here. Me and she need to meet up in her town. But I don't know which part she gone.
So she left and not tell her where she go? Alright. If anything me call about, we'll just get me together, yeah. What's him for call her mother though? Fuck. She not on the phone. Last time I can't try to get her, I can't get to her. I go on her yard before I go to the station. Cause if she not run her yard at a straight station.
In and out. First seed out tie bag. 17, Chinaman Teratil.
Mr. Chen.
I tell you, you look safe. Ready again?
Me have one in there for the nice part.
14 on the mouth. Wow. That not look bad. It not look bad.
You not safe.
54.
Chop line fast. The line get fucked up.
Quick and fast. So come here, what about your daughter? Good thing you ask, girl. See, you know, say me, they run that area that day randomly. And I pass through, when me look, me see Brittany. Brittany, I cry. When me walk going in the yard, me never know say good boy today. When me walk going in the yard, I call Brittany. Brittany grow on her back, Brittany the ball. Say, man and father in eruption. Man no come run me out the yard. So what you do? Girl knowing me. You know, say me never want embarrassment and show the poor problem on me and him. I no bother with him. I just left out time place. Cause I can't deal with him. Best thing, girl. I don't know.
$47.
47 girl account. Him go like say I live too much uptown life for me. So me I stay in a my lane.
Hey, speaking of the devil, who that they come? Then your baby father.
Kiss me neck.
Nah, he not dead now.
But he not dead now.
We have your son him.
Jesus Christ.
Excitement.
What is now?
Sound good.
Play the next game, please. Wait till he come now. Wait till he come.
Excitement. Call back.
In or out? Hey, hello, what you do ya? Eh? You don't run me out of your yard. You have your heart to come on my yard. You want this, yeah? You want that?
You know
you want that? You don't want to take care. You don't want to take care.
You know
eh?
school.
Where you come on my yard for? You don't shame me out of your yard.
Come here, mind not bun me that, you know. This is me, I say, man. You want to know what I really come about? Brittany missing. Brittany missing. For yesterday, I can't find Brittany. And that I come to you about.
Brittany missing?
Yes, Brittany missing.
How Brittany for missing under your care? How Brittany you lock him up all in a house? How Brittany for missing under your care? My daughter Brittany, how you missing?
And then something I like, you know.
But it's not easy.
That's like, I have to love you out, you know. I have to love you out because you have too much anger, man.
What you mean?
Brittany missing, come here. And before you help me find her, you
have to go to the station. Where you come here for? Where you come here for?
I want to check if you have her first before I go to the station. I can't just run to the station, so. You know, say, person want you to check her or something.
But this man him come like he's sick in the head.
You can't tape on my shirt.
That's what they talk about. You better find my daughter, you know.
You know what, I should have come here. I should have come here and talk to you about, you know, because this doesn't make no sense. I go look for my daughter myself. That me I tell you.
Go look for your daughter yourself. You're sick in the head. You're sick in the head. You have to look for your daughter yourself.
Go look for my daughter.
Lower making one.
What do you mean lower making one? Lower making one and he's a me picking missing. And he's a me picking missing.
You go on.
Watch me, you're dead, you're one dead. I dead, you're one dead. Find my daughter. Find my daughter. All right.
So time late, man.
But true, you know. True, then time is on the same late for true, man. Alright, let me have one. Egg. Slow bread. Come here.
Travis. Travis. Wake up, no man. No bread no day here.
I'm sure. I should good.
Me check good, come man. Wake up now.
I shut down on the front door, that's it. See if you get better.
Travis. 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 Travis, what happened? You know me I call you?
Stacy. Where are there, Stacy?
What do you mean me I do? You know me come look for?
What you mean you come look for me? We both agree say out, me I go take a break. So what you there do?
But you not answer me call them.
What you mean by me now? We both agree say out, me I go take a break. No that the agreement will come to.
So you not take no enough break?
No, Stacy, you have to leave. Honestly, you can't stay. Me really
You run me
need...
at the house?
Honestly, me I run you, but you know, me just need a break. And we both agree say yo, me I take a break, you see me?
You still have me up over the little kiss.
Yeah.
Me thirsty, beg a little water.
The fridge plug out, no ice water in there.
Me take the pipe water.
Sure, me think our water gone, you know. But Stacy, honestly, you need to leave, Stacy. You can't stay.
So me can run me so? Like you have somebody here where you don't want me see?
Honestly, me I run you, but I must have agreed to take a break, you know. That was the agreement. So,
you sure you don't have no woman up here? No wrong with me, you know. Because me I call them and answer me call them.
my phone dead.
Me now come out. My belly hurt me, I want a little tea.
No sugar in there, the sugar done. Me not buy nothing from money.
Travis, you deal with me away, you know. All of that a mistake. And look how you are going.
That can't be mistake, brother. How that will be mistake?
Me I call you and answer your phone.
My phone dead.
And not today alone me I call you.
My phone dead for a week because I'm not charge you necessary.
Oh, so you don't want to call from me then?
Nobody at all. Right now, just by seeing you, it'll bring back memories. So you just...
Look here. Me will allow you out for time being. Me I go give you your time, but me want the tea. Because my belly really dey hurt me. So you know, so if you not give me tea, me not left. So it's either or either.
Unless you want it fresh?
Yes, me will take it fresh. I want some egg and bread too. With lettuce and tomato.
No, none of that. Just too high. Go make the man who did a kiss by egg sandwich.
What's here? How about this? Travis.
Who are you?
Who me? Who are you? Who are you? How are your feet?
Hey. How about this? How about this? What is?
Yo.
You don't want to make a mad girl, eh?
Yo, wait.
Mad girl, eh? Hey,
Why you make me put my foot down? Oi!
Hey, girl.
Yo,
Travis, you don't tell her about me.
Christ.
You look like you know you about me.
Easy no man, easy.
What she do ya?
What me I do what you are doing?
Yo, only just easy now. Yo, space, build up.
Yo.
Yo, I'm saying what the fuck, yo.
Hey. You don't want me.
Yo.
Hey, move. Hey,
yo, you see what you
Alright, control. Control on the bumper clad. Control and a real fight.
Jesus Christ. Yo, only just build. You see what you cause? Me tell you some need some space. Look where you coming from. Where you coming from?
You see you? You're lucky, you know.
Brother, just go on, brother, come tell us some need.
You know, me go give you space. Me go lower your place too. But you see, any of me come back up here and she up here, me direct the two of you, yeah?
How she attack, bro?
Yo, ease yourself, no Brittany. Just ease me. Just hold on.
You know what, matter of fact, me not gonna stay with you here.
What you mean by
Me not gonna stay here with you.
Me
say me not gonna stand here with you.
What you mean by that?
Me not stay here. Me not staying here.
Brittany, just chill.
Me not, don't touch me. Say me not stand here.
Brittany, what you mean by that?
Me say me not stay.
Brittany.
Matter of fact, me come for me bag and me something there, yeah, man. Excuse, come out of me.
Where you going?
Then I put on my slippers. Me say me not stand here, man. Me not stand here.
But you not feel me don't tell us something on me if you don't know this something.
Me can't put up with them foolishness and no more, man.
What kind of foolishness?
You know, see?
I first it happen.
First that happened. Wait a minute, I don't know what you're
Brittany,
don't
just
touch me. See this, don't touch me, brother.
Brittany.
Let go me back now, brother. Move now. Leave, Mr. Philippe. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Let me go. Mr. Me not Tanya.
Brittany, what you mean by that? So, you nobody want the egg on the bread? Brittany!
So me look at one spray, man. Let's have a spray for them. Ranky me take up. No sir, something going on now. I'll go on for the next one, cause nothing going on today. Nothing.
Brittany.
Good morning, Mr. Albert.
Yes, my boy.
Everything alright, boss?
Yeah, man, so far.
Yeah, man, I'm there, man. So, no other not come in today?
No, nothing for mine. Things do. My papa, I'm good still.
I'm good to see you, man.
No,
Why,
no comment
know?
in mine.
You look away, you know. Why, I don't know why.
Papa, you're farm, you know.
Can't make them spoil on the tree, you know.
No, you have to go look some market.
You know, we have to go do that, man. But, everything good otherwise, though?
Yeah, man, so far.
Alright, so, me go check what I got along, are you here?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
The bossy.
What happened, Robert?
Me want news this morning. Are your daughter named Brittany, you missing?
Why? I'm my daughter, man.
Eh?
I'm my daughter.
Why you repair sticky, man?
Why? No normal, right now. I don't think straight. See me, I left my key there. Right now, I don't have no work I go do around the next farm around there, so.
You understand?
But me hope she does something safe, you know. You understand?
Man, nothing happened to her still.
Nothing happened to her. I want to look a feud with her and I try teach her the right. You know, when you look a picture nowadays, they don't really listen.
You understand?
Foreign minded.
Yes. So.
Yes. But
I hope you may find him still.
Yeah, man. I go and do something and
yeah,
pray.
Man, I hope you may find him.
Yeah, man. And you go to church too?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so when I go to church, just beg pastor to go and pray
for him. Yeah,
you
man.
see me?
No problem.
Alright, my boss. Me I go and check on you.
Yeah, man. It could be.
Alright,
yeah, man.
You say, a piece of drama galang girl.
Kind of drama?
You say, me want girl to fight.
Fight?
Yeah, what Travis?
You what? Travis? So all them mess up me, yeah?
Hello, ma'am. Good day. No, some of the items, some of them want to take one picture of them, isn't it? Yeah, man. See a picture here. I wonder if you can leave it for me. Okay. Alright, $500. Yeah, man, I can leave it, man. What's up here? Alright.
Oh, man, they must up me up.
Me go shop and come back. Me no see girl will sit down on bed.
Sit down on bed?
Sit down on bed.
So what you do?
You have to laugh.
So you not say to nothing to her?
Me just walk in and start with a start on her case. Beat the girl.
You have to start on her case?
Of course. But me done with Travis and me done with him.
So you're really not in love with Travis anymore?
No, yes, me still love him, but it not gonna work. It not gonna work.
Brittany, where are you, Brittany? Come on. Any food, man?
Yeah, me boss, what go on?
You don't see the girl there?
No, sir. No, sir. I never said this is a girl there before at all. So what happened?
She miss the man, find her, I can't. My daughter, I can't find her.
I can't believe it, man. Watch her. It's such a sweet girl, man. So I wonder where she could have gone.
That me don't know, but I try to see if I can find out where she gone. You see?
Me I tell you, no, sir, I don't see her pass at all from the day from Sunday until now. I don't see her pass.
Alright, me general, enough is
Alright, yeah, me boss, alright, me boss.
Boy, sometimes you know fi give up your man for some girl. You hear what me say?
We done with him.
Sometimes some girl love running.
Running for a man thing, so then
Yeah, when them say some things are going for you, bad mind, next grudgeful, them are go dead.
But me don't understand how the girl did there and Travis and tell the girl to come out of her house because he have his woman there. So we just make the girl sit down on the bed.
Not even hide her, nothing.
No at
If you
all.
not make you see.
Just do it brawling so.
That out of order.
They don't know when they get good woman, man.
I ball game, you know. So what you gonna do? Play game.
That me I go do.
At the ball game.
Fix up well.
I'm gonna talk no kick like I know, ball, you know. Oh, me attack score.
Well, what me get one better than him.
No goalie business. No standing business. No pram push thing. Oh, no sit bubble sit no there, so. Try make sure so you sort out yourself. You're young and look good.
Come here, come here, come here.
Yeah,
They
you know
said
she
not
there?
even name or nothing, no, they panic.
You know say, come here, hurry, me not remember put her name. But
Something like that you have to think about. You have to think about them, the boat name, where it come from and everything.
Like a 911.
No, you have to print this over.
alright, yo, only the when me run out them me get some new one. Yeah.
Because on the face you will get on this. You have to get
And we
some
can't
more
see our
concrete
face.
if you know.
But we are take a picture it and post it on Facebook and Instagram and things.
If anything
You
you call the
understand? If
number,
anything we call the number and tell you.
Alright.
Alright, don't go up and find him before the day still.
Alright, come.
Yeah, man, let's go. We are doing what we can.
Alright. I see that girl on her boyfriend.
No, sir, I'm not know her.
You don't know her?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Hope I find her though.
I just walk it back. You see if it just put up anywhere you put up it. That number you just call. Yeah?
Alright.
I'm a general, you know I'm to see the girl on her boyfriend. I know say me not really see her, but like some of them I know still, you know. You know say my daughter she miss the brother. So money the panic. Me not too much, but if somebody come and they come with half of me, they do something, you understand? I hold on for one of them, see you. See her make you know. I number this. Yeah man, I number that. Just call the number. Alright my boss. Alright my general.
Get a chance and he blew it, so make him go on. Me done with him.
Out of order.
Me done with him. I'm done with him, man.
Right now, me a dear here. Whole heap of man a go run you down. Whole heap. And no drop no catch. You no drop or catch. So you come, so you take it. Your ear good and nice. That elevator thing. Man, come like a manual, you know.
I tell about it. And I'm done with him.
I'm finishing now, you know. You know what price already?
No man.
Thank you, love.
Alright.
You could be see you. Remember what me say now?
Oh, you tell me.
Later.
My father come. Many men are not alright now. You like say want control it. You like say want run me like. You know me can't more hide.
Come here, hide you. Hide. I don't want to kill you with the as much as you're big, so. How are you going yourself?
You know, say my daughter miss and I put up on missing
Miss
poster.
what?
Miss a poster.
If the people put up things for my shop, they have to pay me. Any poster. So me hear, so me know.
Not really much right
If you
now.
don't hear, go so you soon go so.
Not really much right now.
Miss, let me see one of them still. For your ear, but not even put in one next stock. Miss, a KFC she there. And then they want.
Two days now, KFC.
I mean, she and him chicken till she can't eat it no more. She not look miss.
No, we just have a little argument and find that we don't see her.
So one of them you go put up on the wall of my shop yourself?
No, I just want me to put up and say you can keep the one there and call number if you see her.
Call number.
Please, if you see her, you can call me.
Then they will call me informer.
I'm not informer. Listen, me can
Well,
put up
go and put up it still. Me try put out a word for you.
Alright, thanks, yeah.
Thank me. Thank Chief for runway.
Why you say that? Why you behave so?
What kind of pit you want run when at this time, yeah? Or what could a sweet her so? What sweet nanny goat to go run them belly?
When we can't. Oh. I can't bother with him, man.
Alright,
Me
thanks.
see what go on. Me go and look for the fiancé, me see her.
Yeah, man, if you see her, you just call me, please.
Hope I call you, cause me no want nobody do me nothing. You hear?
Yeah, man.
Boy, your father and pick me son. Me son, me fool. You gone. Realize your father that you are high.
Right now, mother, me have a call.
Him come.
Me got my mother yet. No come.
Tell your mother Friday so before you leave. So you make sure you say you're alright and you're safe. What's him buck up on the road right now? Hell and powder house. She don't answer yet.
Mommy.
Yes, my daughter.
Yeah, Brittany. Me I come stay with you here. No, I come stay with you.
Me there on a yard, man. Come.
Alright.
We're not going to explain everything.
Where your son send me advice? You alright?
No, one time I come and explain to you, yes.
Alright. Hear what you do. When you come, we talk. You hear?
Alright.
Alright.
Me gone, mother. She tell me something.
Alright.
You gone? You
I
sure
don't I can't stand my heels.
You sure you gone?
You gone.
Alright.
We, I did say father, I'm up with you.
What is someone that
You're
easy?
so-called father, God. That's a so-called father.
What am I not easy? Right now, let me take a picture. Right now, I'm going to show you, mother.
Your mother. Take a picture. Into outer order.
Me, I'm going to show my mother, right?
Oh,
Just me, I'm going to show my mother, right? Now, watch me and it. He out mother and bright.
Tell your father that.
Right, man.
Alright.
You can't believe, say, Travis really go look woman so quick. After one little kiss, you know? Yeah, people so say me mad because I tell everybody to have so quick. When I wonder if him and the girl live in the long time, you know. That's why I did a treat. So. Travis, make the girl pop off my chain off of my neck. No blouse and skirt. I see no scratch for my neck, yeah, man. Mash me and mash up the two of them.
Hello, lady.
Right, you know. Hi, sir.
Sorry for bother you, you know. I'm a daughter I look for. You see her know about the place?
You who?
My daughter. Wanna know the daughter?
Sir, me and that girl had just done fight a while ago.
You just done fight, my daughter?
Me go see her in my man yard.
My daughter are your man yard?
Yes, your daughter, the same girl
You
here.
sure?
She's same one.
You know, enjoy her serious or anything?
No, but me shoulda enjoy her.
No, man.
She'll pop off my chain.
One daughter, me no want nothing to her.
So what should I do on my man yard, sir?
Alright.
If you want, me show you which part me catch him a while ago and me can't do that.
Yeah, man, I love that one.
Can't believe you say you have one daughter. And
One
she pop up
daughter?
a man yard, you want to see her.
Mother, I not want to talk about her mother, you know. Her mother just bad like a yours.
You say one girl.
One girl picking.
Over there, sir, she there now. Over there, yeah,
Over there, she there.
But me now come over there with you now.
Alright, yo. Thank you very much, yeah?
Hello, so I just saw some thanks you give me. You have to give me something, no information I give you for free.
You think that help me out?
Sir, me go catch your daughter, my man yard, and she almost beat me up. She pop off my chain. Me tell you which part she there, and you want, no, give me something.
Don't take me how much, you know. Let me see.
Give me something.
1, 2. You know, sir, I just $300 me have.
$1, $2, $300.
$300 me have. That's all me have. I know my money for me.
Sir, my name must make you know which part your daughter there, no? Yeah. And you go look for me and give me $300.
But I'm grateful for it. You don't know what you do right now. Because she probably over there. At the one bag of things.
It's alright, give me take it.
Alright,
$300
thanks,
for information. You're welcome. Go on to your daughter.
Brittany! Brittany! Brittany, I'm sorry, Brittany. Brittany, my father come for you. Sorry, I rush you up. But you know I love you, Brittany. Brittany! Brittany! How would I call Brittany and Brittany there? Awesome. Brittany! How that they know? Yo, Elda, what going? Brittany over there, that's you? No, Brittany there. No, sir. Allah tell. Jeez, I want disappointment to do Father God. No, your daughter not there, Elder. She not there. Somebody tell me some daughter over there, and me piece of my daughter over there. Yo, tell my daughter to me out the road. Wait for her. Elder, your daughter not there, Elder. You want to come look for yourself. Yeah, how much? I'm 25, Elder. My daughter 18, brother. Yo. Come look and see what I tell her she not there, Elder. I'm more the your daughter, nothing because I love your daughter, Elder. Don't love my daughter, don't love my daughter. I know why you love my daughter, you hear that? She young, she need to go to college and something. But I can't send her to go to college, Elder. I don't want a man send her to college. Want to come show me where you find the daughter, yeah. Go on and go look, man, because I tell her she not there. Look anywhere you want to cook on that bed, brother. Jesus Christ. So this is get myself for now. Brittany! Brittany! Elder, may I tell her she not there, Elder. She gone home. Yo, where my daughter there, yo? Yo, where my daughter?
Elder, just easy the elder. Me tell her say she not there, elder. She gone.
Yo, not tell me nothing, man, yo.
Catch up in the
one. Last time my daughter there, right, that's how I know me. Call police come over here now. I'm not, yo, listen me, man.
Elder, just cool it, elder.
Look at you, listen.
Elder, no bother with that, elder. Just cool it, elder. Me I tell her say she mood with your daughter, nothing, you know, me love your daughter, you know.
Don't love my daughter. Don't love my daughter. Hear me say, man, yo.
Elder, just cool it, elder.
You see my daughter come back here tonight, you call me. Yo,
elder, just
listen me, I say.
Elder, me love your daughter, you know. Elder, me love your daughter, you know.
Listen me, I say.
Elder, I ask me, I go ask if you marry your daughter, you know. Elder, cause me love her, you know. Elder, just cool it, man.
Listen me, I say, man. Listen me, I say.
Elder, just listen to me.
Yo, you're not married my daughter and you don't love my daughter.
Elder,
you never know my daughter, you never see my daughter. My daughter just 18 and you're 25. You don't know my daughter, and nothing to do with my daughter. You say anything happen to my daughter, I got a station. And you say, yo, I'm not too bad. Yo. I say, yo, you see if you see me got a station, I'm lucky, you know, boy. And that me I tell you. You understand?
Elder,
yo, just make sure my daughter reach me at the one piece. If she come,
how me I gonna know if she reach home, elder?
Yo, listen to me, man.
Yo,
get one pen and paper, give me. Let me give you my number. Get one pen and paper, give me your number.
I have my phone.
What do you, man?
You can't put it on my phone.
You see if she come, hurry up.
Hold on, the elder phone lock. Jesus.
Well, listen, I'm no number that. So make my daughter come make sure you call me, you know. Let me tell you.
Yeah, man, me call her, man.
You call me, you know.
Yeah, man.
Let me, hey, boy.
Yeah, man, me call her, man. Just go on the elder.
I can remember, say, man, you're so young thing, boy. One thing, you know. You know you have food that time, boy.
Me did I make some breakfast? You want some? Jano. How really are going today? 2 drama in a 1 day. No man, me heart a race on, me can't manage in a woman. Jesus Christ. Jano. Father look serious to you, know, me not. Boy.
Look how long me tell about my business, eh? Look how long me tell you say me want the ear, eh? I have to talk about a little bit on the ear. God knows me can't bother with you, you know, Kyle. Me can't bother with you. 2 or 3 months me tell about my thing, you know. You're supposed to save and put down money if you feel me something, you know. John, you see all you? You see if I win some woman, you get burnt till you're weak.
Bill, remember say food me have to buy, you know, man. The bill them have to pay, you know, man. And I like say now we get here, you know. Just can't buy the one right now. Because we have bills power with. Baby.
Imagine, me of all person, you came here go embarrass me, eh? You know you make me feel shame up a Stacy a while ago. Jesus Christ, you know them the girl up there, so you know. When they don't take for me name and go scandal, so me man can come a shop if you buy expensive ear and you can't pay for it.
Remember so we have one little kids in the bathroom, you know. I have to sort out that, you know. Plus they don't know we have look other things to do in our house, you know. See all the fridge don't even freeze. You have to start out doing something, and I like say, now get here and baby. You just now get the one there right now. You know me love the same way. A roadside with the pony and make a scene, baby. Really?
Love can put care upon me head.
But I know that baby, just hold out the man. You can sit by and go on a little bit. And I like say, now get here, you know. Everything alright, baby, man. The school, man.
Me want, a matter of fact, me no want it, me need it. And anyway, me no get it, me you go in a thing. If you think I lie, me I tell you, watch here. Tired of everything, looking at the place, eh? Looking at it also in the house there. Look at the place, eh?
Babes, you know if you go and say, you know, I tell you say everything alright, you know. Look how you're going out the road, baby. Things are just take a little time now. I make sure you say alright, baby. Anything you ask, you go get it. Just calm down now, man. I know you didn't want to hear, man, but thing alright, man. Give me a little time, baby. And make sure you say everything alright for you. You hear that? Love the same way you're doing it, you're going, you know. And if you're going somewhere.
From me come here, so, from me there with you, I saw the place there until now. And you still tell me if you hold on. Hold on power. You don't bother with them in your life, you know. I'm tired of it.
You're going so. I'm touching you.
No.
Everything alright, you know. Just give me a good time now. Have a good faith now, you know. Yeah, man, so. You know me love you. I just think kind of rough for me right now. I mean, I try, you know. So we just been able to talk now, so now, baby. Hold on. You take the call of the babes.
If you want to speak, I know, coming on, I'll come in here, I'm call you.
Hello? Hello? Yes, sir. Boy, not really going good for me, I know, in my general. Everything I feel, you know, man, but I soon make a payment, man. I soon sort it out, yeah? Just give me a little time.
Why didn't you come and tell me that you have some problem?
But sometimes, you know, man, we have money, you know, full of pride, you know, man. Jaja.
This is an organization, and either you come down to the bank quickly, or you're going to have to give your papers and leave some asset or something. So, do the right thing, okay, Mr. Kyle?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
3 months, I ain't not paying nothing for loan. Look at the place, you know, fix up. Worse, you got embarrassed me up at the station shop. You know, say a fool they take me for. Fool they take me for. Hold on, power. No, you take me for one big idiot. No, no, ramping. Look here. You see everything in here, so? Remember, say I feel me money buy it, you know. You know, not even this year you can buy put in the house. So the dresser, the fan, and the chair over there, so plus me iron. Me come back for everything.
Me know.
No worry yourself. Let go me back.
You really just do that, baby?
Take people for
You love them, baby, and Musa.
Love? Excuse me. But love yourself right now. A better life me want.
Sandy, really?
I need a better life.
Sandy,
bye.
Where you go? Sandy. God. Sandy, baby.
What a good man. Yo, me Jay, what go on? Alright, yeah man, you can get the bima for the music with them man, but about the next half hour, you know, because they are car wash, you understand? Yeah. Don't worry yourself man. There's a 2 errands for run, collect 2 rent from some people in the park, right, yourself. And then man, check back on it and show it you. Alright? Alright, my general. morning, Fallon. You have the money?
Rent money again, sir. As me pay rent who?
Listen, my man, I tell you, I'm going to change the rent date.
Me no.
You owe the rent. Like, me never tell you, I change the date. Fallon, me tell you, I move up the date. So you have to pay rent now. Did I not tell you? It's like I didn't tell you. I tell you that the rent will be earlier for this month.
Me want to go, but I put it at the last of the month. So every last of the month, me pay the rent. So me have time for the rest of the month if you can find the money.
Are you a rent me place or me a rent you place? You need to look into that.
But me still have to figure out how to pay the rent, how to get the money in.
I don't busy though you get the money, Fallon. You just get the money in time. I'm just gonna give you 2 more days.
2 more days, sir.
2 more days, Fallon.
2 more days no work so with rent.
You
And business place, people don't rent place like that. Plus, you have me in the back. Yes.
That is for security, Fallon. You have no reason to go there. That is not your concern. That is my security. Listen, my man. You're falling short, you know. You're really falling short. And I see people coming in and out. You're making money and you're falling short.
That means you're watching me business.
You have watch me place.
You're watching me business. Mother Jesus. 2 days.
Alright.
2 days.
Don't worry yourself. Today I went.
You figure out it, you know.
Today I Tuesday. You see by Thursday, just make sure you have the money.
I will find it. By the hook or the crook, I will find it. I can't take the stress and problem with them rent. Them are dirty landlord.
Can't bother with them tenant.
Not even want to fix up the place. Dirty landlord. No, that not include tip. 15 for acrylic. Yeah. Current gone in, I'm not no hot water. But unless you want the cold water, I still work with it, but you know you want your little pampering. Missy J. I don't tell Missy JPS. I swear say I cut them a cut off like oh me Bridget. I mean I run this at time, you know. Me never did I run this at time, yeah. So I go and good girl in the pan today. So you not do no nails today, no money, no pay, nothing.
What's that? You know, say I want money, me come borrow from you, do.
Borrow money, you know, them tell me. A pandemic, this is a pandemic, woman. You know, them tell me you want borrow money.
I know me broke.
So if you borrow it, how you pay back?
I find a way to try to pay back money.
How you find a way? And you not work? So, mama, you know no man?
Well, you know, so I have a look at one link still, but I just think just come and go and I'll do look at thing and something, but...
Alright, you have a link. Let me tell you one style. It's when you and him get together again. Tell him say you're pregnant. Tell him say you're pregnant. And him man nowadays they don't want no pitney, you know. You hear me say? So just him will give you one money if you go dash away. So you just use that the money there and do what you want to do. You hear me say? Because I don't no money for none of them tell me a pandemic. The pandemic act. You have to know if you choppy line. You look so good. Because you look good like Naomi Campbell. Walk. If you start drive.
You know, say I true, girl. You know, say I true, I'm going to try, man. I'm try.
Do it. It will work out. You have to work.
I don't know, say the thing that me can't check off a door, but they say not have or something, so. We will link up, man. I just, you know, never go.
Alright. See how
Alright, later.
Later. Can't take them and sit here. Landlord come. Girl come. Friend come. I can't take it. Too much problem. Too much pressure in. But they are going to...
Jaja. Listen, my day, I'm Jay.
No, you know, for the item where you bring up the sale, brother, I want good piece of food we get feet in that, but you know, the piece of money there for you. Yeah, man, know what you say, man. Right, that's something with yo. You see another way we can make a peaceful food, you know, but yo, whenever the man call link, man, I would talk more about this, you understand?
Me link you later, sir.
Alright, brother.
Hey, I was Sunday coming for now. Hey, babe. What happened to you? Make a sound so.
Yeah, girl, you don't know, say me left the one Kyle him. Me have to left for me pack up my things and man left, man. Pay things are gone.
You and Kyle?
How are you there?
Me do your peppers are going normal. Which way they? Then forward now. Forward, man. Forward. Me there. Alright, do you do, man? Forward. Me there. You can't tell me how where they go on with you and Kyle. Just come. Come. Alright. That's weird.
Sunday, wait there. I don't know how to go.
Yeah, I don't know how to go.
You know, see, there's something do you want to buy down there for me do, but you want if I come up here, so back.
You know, so I not think me I come back up here right now. Nothing so at all. By the way, what you did want?
My pregnancy test.
Mama?
Pregnancy test.
For yourself?
Yeah.
Give me your money.
Sandy! Come! How are you go? You don't have black peppers, girl. So tell me now, girl, what happened? Your son terrible on the phone. I mean, no, that's not you. What go on?
You know, so me have to left the boy. Me left him, man. Me have to pack up my something and left this morning.
Joke, yeah, make a kind of Kyle, you're doing something good, so yeah.
Look here, that went good when the money did there. The money when did it when he might do that good. No money no did it again.
Girl, we'll have to. You must want something to drink.
Yeah, man, want cran water.
Alright, we'll have to.
This a kind of wash good, man. Yeah, man. I style like you tell style me, you know. Hey.
Girl, right now I don't know what to do. I don't have money for paying the rent. Your life is pressure me right now. Come and see me to go a bank up or one loan or something. And you hold up then I get on call. I put up on hold. Somebody will come. Yes, girl. What? Actually, yeah, me I call tell you, you know, say me borrow your wig too. Me I go in and go mash one crime and come back. Really, I can ask me about girl, I can't take you wig and go on. Just take what you want and just go on. But I want important car right now, so yeah. Yeah man, alright. Alright, cool. Right. Hey, my friend called me.
Thanks. Come now, drink and tell me yours. But, you know, come to think about it, me hear all we have to say. And to be honest, you know, Sandy, me tell you the truth, nobody begs.
So make you go on so?
Sound like say, the man did have everything now. Remember, say you used to tell me how you act and all these things and money are run. But to me, it sound like as the money kind of they go low, you know how much you're ready to cut. Like a gold
Look
digging
like
step.
you not listen, or you not hear what me I say, good. You hear what me just tell you, say? Actually, you know, look here, you might see me, you know, and think that everything good. Recently, I pay mackerel the boy I feed me pan. Mackerel go, mackerel come.
Them you tell me say, good up, Kyle, you talk so good about. They feed you for mackerel.
Him same one.
And then, oh, so that's the reason why you know make me guy horse, and you know me can.
But me couldn't care come this up. You know what he said? You always tell me say you want to come know which part me live. And me never care. Girl, you don't want to see in the house. Shame.
Joke yeah, make a kind of Kyle you're doing something good, so yeah.
Right now, you look like say I sex you want him, want me sex one rebel, you know. Me no want no gas.
You're rough. But at least you know so when you got a party, you know if you go back go look now man. Because you see the nice, fine figure and you take up yourself boy you want that the man there now see it there, swell on you.
So clear, yeah, to rub that
No man, you know what I mean, friend. But I truth you know me playing. You understand?
You know, me come to stay neither, you know. Because I have to go back down on my people them. So me am going to make you know what is what between me and that boy them.
Nobody begs with me with that. But just when they talk my mind. But me know how the family things stay and the fact that you go live with man and all the wait all of that anyways. You guys your man you don't go live with man and sit now go back a family you one bag of drama out there on you. So if you want no link to no place for rent, we can make one link for you. Does it mean?
Alright, me call you, Fanny.
Okay.
Love you. Talk bad, someone. Talk bad.
Chaplain.
Oh God. Yeah, I'm there. I'm say, be a C-star. Go on easy.
No see a long time I don't see you, don't want to say you know.
You want to see me?
Come here, no see me miss you. I want to see you. From what day me I think about you and so.
Yes, you miss me. Alright, so look here now. So just meet me in the town. Meet me in the town. Yeah, me pick you up on this.
Alright, cool.
Like something not going on in the idea, yeah. But me wanna sweet me up so. No, let me kiss.
Can't be there no man. Being awesome, I miss you.
Oh man.
I don't want to go up your hotel, but it's too far right now. We can go to beach park.
Yeah, of course.
know say a long time me and you link on something, but right now I don't even know how I did miss you. Come like you scarf me out.
Oh, so not really that man, I'm busy, you know. You see me?
I can't help you something right here now, right here, sir.
Of course. Right now. And that's me put this a condom here. Shit, the condom boss.
Different level, you know that? Yeah, dog, me I tell you, dog, from what day, me I try to tell you, say, yo, you need to take the music seriously. So I say, dog, yeah, man, because me don't even want you to follow such man who bust from what day, you know, and see him bust there now, and I be a fuckery dog I sing right now. So when you deal with your thing, a Bob Marley type of thing, you understand?
What you mean, man? I have to do the right thing, you know. Greatest one be, you know. While I mean, man, can't tame.
Platinum and gold, you understand me I say?
Oh,
yeah,
jokes,
dog,
man.
so we are going to deal with the thing this year. You see what I say?
You see that funny black man? What's me to my
Well, I
face
don't even know who she, you know, but, you see me? But remember when I tell you, say, you know, dog.
Grandma! Grandma! Oh, you would have called? Chin? You're rich man. Come in.
Go and do your thing, you see me? And bless up, you see me?
No joke.
That, you see me?
You know what's going on?
You know you're clean your teeth, so. Yeah, do me a piece of grandma. Okay, come in, man. Put on the toothpaste. If you sit down and talk. You can send to me?
Yes. Mommy send something.
Okay, thanks. I'll pass it good too.
You know?
Yeah.
My face looks so sour.
I know so she a come now, but I don't want her to come because I don't really like her.
Your mother called me and tell me say they come now, but at the end of the day, you don't tell me anything. So I would really like to know what is going on because me welcome in, you know. Because you're my granddaughter, I love you and I welcome you, but as you see, time kind of stiff. And the little work they want me to do, the little egg then now sell all that fast.
Yes,
and me have my
Grandma.
grandson, year to and his mother sometimes send, but you know, so them eat like a farmer house. So then this yam every day. So me need some more money and resource. So me no mind you come in and stay here with me. But at the end of the day, what you go do?
You know, mommy not no money and you send me down here so if you go and look for work for me in time when me down here. So me just come down for one work and I can help you out in the meantime. You know?
Even though you think it's a work down here, work not easy to get. Because if you don't know somebody, if you know somebody, you can't get no work. So, I don't know what kind of work you qualify. I don't know what you can do. I don't know what you intend to do. But at the end of the day, whatever little me have, me share with you about. I don't know how long that though can be. Because as we said, things not all that pretty. And the egg money, them start feeding gone up. People they not come buy egg as fast as they could. Maybe a little cake or every now and then and sell. And me have the little bit them money what they give me, but me have the bills them to pay, the water, the light, all of them cable bill, internet bill, all of them bill you have to pay. So when you come now more, so me not go treat you bad. No try not to treat you bad, but remember I say me strict. I'm the one you in and now mix up with them people, because me keep myself to myself. Because them a mix up and blend that. And when them start, then I stop and then they come to go look what you have. And then I have nothing to give, and me can tell you that. So as long as you obey me and hear what me say,
Yes,
and I go to the way and be rude, me and you agree. Me and you get along.
Grandma.
You hope you behave yourself. Sometimes we go to church, so you know, when you long out your mouth when you wake up and many time to say, follow me go to church.
Grandma, me behave myself, me not give me no trouble. Everything you tell me to do, me I go do. Mommy not tell you how me stay. Me not come out your house, you know.
Me and my grandson go to church, and me not left here. Because I know say when they say you alone there, then go there fishing at my gate. And I don't want nobody at my gate there fishing, because no fish, not over here. So keep them away from my gate, because I know they have a shot, they were there. As they see new face come in, they're ready to come suck blood and come down. So, remember that. Remember me tell you.
Yes,
remember me
Grandma.
warn you from this first day you come.
No,
so you
Grandma,
can't say me no warn
I
you.
have no time for them. Them that's not up on my brain right now. I come to help you and do little things around the yard. And I come for work. I don't have them that's up on my head.
You will say that no, because you come down and you don't want me to welcome you in. But anyway, you come down and breathe.
Why you talk so, Grandma?
You go see, because I don't know how you
No
want
like
to
that,
the
Grandma. You know if you say that something there, Grandma. If you think positive.
You can't take no young baby to cry on my head. So your mother must know say you good and me now go have the time for to straighten you up. So you just do say you keep yourself on the promise now. So hope you keep your promise.
When me up so none of them something then they go on. So why when me come down there that go happen? And Grandma, and any man me like, you know.
Maybe the man them hope they so never come up to your high side. But you see them down here so you have the good, the bad and the difference. So maybe you will see some down here so what you need to see up there so come in. Now which part of the son will live? Come to know your mother never invite me we wanna live. So me don't know. But at the moment with that the conversation can be positive about life.
Yeah,
so me
Grandma.
will show you your room where you can stay.
Yeah.
Seymour!
I can't get a game off like I look bad.
Just wait, me soon get you. Just wait me pass the delivery.
Seymour! Seymour! Seymour!
Yeah?
Come here, come help your cousin carrying the suitcase here. I'm going to show her where she is stay.
Miss Ponce.
Hello? Yeah, girl, I reach.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm glad to know I reach up. Which part did you say again?
No, St. James.
Oh, St. James. You know, say I be a chopper man up there door.
Yes, girl. Yes, BMW and Mark X, them drive.
Well, just try and see if I can get one of them.
No worry yourself, girl. I forget one. Just I go and easy myself. Be there with the miserable woman. He miserable. Start all that tell me about me if you come to me, come breed and all them something. She go on. She alright.
Miss Ponce. Miss Ponce.
Yeah.
Hold on the girl. I'm gonna smell your car.
Yeah, man. All right. Take care of yourself. All right.
Miss Ponce.
Hold on.
You know say I want Miss Ponce me did want to talk to, but look here there. Look here there now.
Where the ask her?
Miss Ponce, Miss Ponce.
Nobody over here saying name, so.
How your name, my friend?
You know, say I change my name.
Chin. Nice name, man. It fit you. Like your skin clean and everything, you know. Yeah, man, we do it. That's why I see how pass a while ago.
See, you don't know so they look for me.
You're supposed to know, say, I'm not joke. Go on to number before I left now. So you look over the place, so you're afraid?
I'm not afraid.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Right, that's how I'm born and grow. You know, and I nicest girl I see come across. No joke. Wish we could have get you in my life, you know?
Probably.
Probably go a number before I left, man.
Yeah.
So yes, I can get the number.
Look tell them.
Mrs. Chino, what I really talk to my man.
What?
See her the grandma.
Let's see her. What are we? She bright. What do you want out yourself? You start already and you just come, you never make you whatever dry. You start already after me talk to you. Then look for what you out of the talk to. Look on that.
What do him?
Oh, you mean what do him? You know, see nothing do him?
Grandma, you have to deal with me, so no disrespect, you know. Just I try to get to know your granddaughter, lovely granddaughter. You have
Stick
to
up
know.
in. For your time no come yet. Me soon deal with you. Me deal with she. Cause she over here, so you over there, so. So wait for your time. Wait. What do you want here, so?
Just a reason.
Reason, say what? Reason? When they tell you, say?
He not tell me nothing.
So, your reason, he not tell you nothing? Oh, you come down here for? What is the problem?
Me not do nothing.
You don't do nothing. You see you hear them? You see them like push back coat nothing of them? Oh, you mean you not do nothing? Look here, take time go on in for me drop. Just go on in. Miss if you go on in. Oh, bad boy, turn for me. You want me shovel up here this man with a shovel here? Look at all what happening on my dog neck and choke you. Yes, you know. Where you for? Look here, take time. Go down back little further this way. Where you for?
No disrespect, you know. You don't have to deal with me, so, you know. I just your granddaughter, I try to get to know, you know.
You disrespect me by just coming to me gate. No disrespect. Because you see, for years me know you never say nothing to me. You see me they come with me water them and you never help me to carry them to make me say, well, this is a good man. As a similarly for your kitty come down and not even land good. You they come on my gate, you have house, you have car, you have money in a bank. Where have you for? Our mama concern her down here say me if you take care of her. And because she young and she can manage, but it are the wrong somebody listening to. Try not come back on me gate, you know. Now make me see you on me gate again. Oh,
No disrespect to that, man.
The little crab was boy, but he come on me gate. Tell him where they go. Lord Jesus, me say, the legal list arrive and he start already. Me, look here. Let me sit down here before me drop down. Let me ask you one question. Where really come down here for?
I don't have to talk to nobody. I hear me every boy come they ask about Miss Punsy. So I just get up and go ask. Me I say when they ask Punsy, nobody knows why.
You just come down here. You hear people that get they call Miss Punsy. You don't know nobody named Miss Punsy. So make you fly up and go on.
Just start we are talking now. Just start.
And for you go there, you have to do a thing, so nobody name some walk, come back in. You stand up out there, keep long argument. One argument go lead to the other end because when they see you, then go and give you a nice talk and push all $1,000 and get you.
You can't breathe me through gate, you know.
But they also not back to your mother ever say you go along, you know. As a matter of fact, come go along in. Go on in, the plate them down there, so come go and go in, wash your plate them.
Hello?
I pray.
Who this?
The man I made it there gate.
Oh.
You see, you're gonna go not gonna be a problem, you know.
That's what she means you're going to me. She kill up for herself. But when you come down here fast. She alright.
So, basically we can link up on night time.
Why? So she stay and me have to plan and me have to tell you what I go on. We can link up, yes. But me have to, no.
Alright, then wanna say a word.
Yeah, so me have to call you. And me have to call you. Alright, later. Yeah.
Cha-cha.